Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be taking a look at what is actually a Zoho Corporation and what is how you can use a Zoho app. So basically, Zoho Corporation is an Indian multinational technology company that makes computer software and web-based business tools. It's the best known for the online office suites offering Zoho Office Suite. And the company was founded in 1996 by Sridhar Wembo and Tony Thomas and has a presence in 7 locations with the global headquarters in Chennai, Tamil, India, and corporate headquarters outside of the Austin and in the Texas, USA also. Uh, from 1996 to 2009, the company was known as AdventNet and initially provided a network management software. And now it's become a Zoho was released in 2005 along with Zoho Rider and the company first suite product, Zoho Products, Creator Sheets, and now uh, they were sure in 2006 they're gonna go on collaboration space with the release of Zoho Docs and Zoho Meeting. So Zoho reached more than 50 million customers in January 2020 and in July 2022. In this year, the company announced it had more than 80 million users worldwide. It have different locations. I told you it basically the headquarters is based in Chennai, India. As of 2021, it held 12 offices operating in 9 countries around the world, and the company operates in China and also has offices in Singapore and Japan. The bulk of the supports operation and carry out from the Chennai. Zoho also had office in Andhra Pradesh, has been operating from this office since 2018, and on the US it has in California, Texas, until its movement to Dalwell, Texas. In April 2090, Zoho purchased a land outside of Austin that was intended for the new headquarters. Uh, and for the rest of the recreation for employees during the COVID-19 pandemic situation over that. And after the breakout, they are planned to open branches in rural areas in southern Tamil, in Thane, Madurai in February 2022. Zoho opened the office in New Brownfield, Texas in July of the year, and the location added 30% employees. There are different references, references of that. We're gonna talk about this later. So simply get this app. You will see already that the landing page. Just simply go on Zoho.com. You will see a landing page like this. Your Life Work powered by Your Life Works. Unique and powerful suite of software to run your entire business that is bought by the company with a long-term version to transfer the way you work. So you're gonna go and complete the CM platform, but before that, we're gonna look up that platform. You can work remotely on assets, assist, meeting, work drive, like these are the remotely work, and run your entire business with 45 plus integrated application with Zoho One. You can manage, connect, and automate business processes across your organization. Experience the operating system for business. Uh, a lot of different bundles: CRM plus, finance plus, workspace, people plus, ID management, and marketing plus. And also apps on the sales, marketing, customer service, and the email collaboration. And the sales and marketing give your sales team the perfect sets of app to help close more business in a less time, and give your service team and the right play and context necessary to make every customer successful. And on the email that empowers your workforce with app to collaborate and transform the way they work. Okay. These are the three different templates. First with the human resources, security and ID management, and the custom solution, and the last legal, and the last but not the least, business intelligence. On the human resources, focus on your people, while your app automate your human resources processes. And security and IT management, be right where your customer are with apps to help your business engage with them. And simplify complex business process with app that will make you a team work easier. Okay. uh, on the legal side, streamline your contract lifecycle and improve the efficiency all across the um, aspects of contract management. And on the business intelligence, that empower your business with a deep insight using your modern service business intelligence and analytic platform. Okay, these are trusted by the more than 80 million users globally. uh, this is every lab integrated to your business operation and increase productivity with Zoho. Okay, the co-founder and the project manager, her name is Nicholas Rebanel. Okay, as a partner with Zoho, developer and the marketplace, the options over that. So this is a whole first page of this website. Um, firstly, all you have to do look that up and go simply on sign in. Once you're done, you will able to use that platform and you will able to get your work and get your life easier the way you want. So this is how you can look over that platform. um, if you like that video, make sure you subscribe the video and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks so much.